Hey guys, RTT back here for that video guys. Today we have an unboxing of a Surface Duo 2. Now, here's the interesting thing, and I do want to go ahead and mention this right now. This Surface Duo 2 I got was actually still unlocked with someone's carrier. So, someone still had their SIM card inside his device. You're going to see later on. I do blur out their numbers, so I'm not going to show their information, obviously. But I find out during the video, because it's kind of confusing when I'm, like, setting it up. I'm like, this is weird, because it's asking me for Wi-Fi, but it's saying it doesn't need Wi-Fi. It has 5G, but I was so confused going throughout this video. But yeah, it's mainly because the person, whoever sold to me, did not log out of their carrier or did not take out their SIM card at all. And I ended up having to take out the SIM card, reset the device, and, you know, go through a whole entire process again. But here's what's interesting. So the person I got this from was from eBay, obviously, but they were not, and I repeat, not a normal seller. This was a warehouse that actually has a lot of these Surface Duo 2s, and they just post them up and sell them. They pretty much get them from, you know, different areas, and then they post them and sell them for more money, right? So that is kind of interesting. I mean, literally the label on the box said, you know, from a warehouse. It said a warehouse seller or something like that. So again, not like an actual seller that would just, you know, buy this phone and pick it up and sell it. This is actually a reseller. So again, very interesting that they did wipe the phone. It was wiped completely. You're going to see first, it actually right now it's dead. So I'm going to have to charge it, and you're going to see later in this video, this phone is wiped, and I go through the whole setup process. But again, just interestingly enough how, you know, this SIM card was still in this phone. And again, even though it was wiped, it's 100% dead right here. But even though it was, you know, wiped, they did not remove the SIM card. And the SIM card was still active. Again, I'm not sure how long ago, you know, this company was able to get the Surface Duo 2 and pick it up, but that's definitely, you know, something to take into consideration. If you're ever selling your device online, if you're ever selling your device maybe to a company that is kind of like a reselling company, make sure you go ahead and wipe your device. Make sure you go ahead and take out your SIM card and wipe your device. And again, big issue there is not removing your SIM card. Now, I actually thought I went through the setup process. I did not end up going through the setup process in this video. I thought I did, but I set it up and then I went in this part of the video. But I promise you guys, it was completely wiped, and this is me looking at it and finding out there's a SIM card in there. Because you can see, I'm looking through it, I'm like, wait, hold up. There's a SIM card. Oh, there's a phone number. And I'm like, that's not my phone number. So what's going on here? Why is there a phone number on this phone? It's because, yeah, there's a SIM card in there. But again, like I said, it was completely wiped. So I got to give the seller props on that one. They did, you know, factory reset it. But again, it's just such a weird concept that they kept the SIM card in there. And again, I do wonder how long this phone was, you know, bought. How long ago was it bought with, you know, the person with the SIM card? So again, like I said, just an interesting, you know, food for thought there. Not a huge deal, not a huge problem. I took the SIM card out, I reset the whole phone again, and now everything, as you can see, is absolutely hunky-dory. Everything is perfect. It is Android 12 I have on here, but yeah, so it no longer does it say that, you know, it's someone else's SIM cards in this phone. Which, again, like I said, I wonder if they got a notification, whoever it is, got a notification that, hey, look, somebody's using your SIM card in the new phone. This is definitely not what I expected. When I got the Google Pixel Fold, that was not the issue I had. So I was like, especially with Surface Duo 2, I don't know, maybe it's just because it's like older, it's from 2021. I expected not to have that problem, but it is what it is, man. At the end of the day, you know, when you buy older electronics online, you're gonna have sometimes you're gonna have that problem where you're gonna get some SIM cards still in the phone. I still can't believe that. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I will be going ahead and releasing a Google Pixel Fold review very, very shortly. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel for that. We also, of course, have Google Pixel videos coming out very soon to the channel with the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and Surface Duo 1 and 2. Maybe. Peace out, guys.